Okay, let's build a 6-foot porch swing out of poplar. This is all poplar lumber. I sawed it on my Lt15 sawmill, and it's been dry for several months, and it's real dry. And so I've done got my screws drilled, my nut and my screws started to speed up things. So we're gonna get started here. Thank you for watching. And if you like this, would you subscribe to it? Be a little slow getting this in. The fellow getting this said he's gonna paint it, but you can stain poplar. Poplars are a great wood to stain, and are real good to paint. Okay, we'll turn it around and put the back down. That's pretty light popper, not a real heavy wood when it's dry. But I'm building this for my cousin. He said that, like I said, he's going to paint it, you know. And it paints beautiful, you know. It sure does, yeah. Now my back sticks over the thickness of this here. Okay, I put one on the back side like that right there. That sort of strengthens the back a little better. Now this is my own pattern. I designed that pattern. Nobody else I know got this pattern unless they stole it from me. I designed that pattern there. A lot of people got curved back, but I designed my own. And a lot of people very similar to it, but I done my own. Like I said, nobody's got my pattern unless they bought one of my swings and got it. Now, I don't care, you know what I'm saying. I don't care. They're welcome to it. Now, this one is shorter than these because I get it even there. Because that's where the arm lays, right on that, the arm. people put these on with a air finishing gun, but I just don't think they hold that good. I like screws. Screws won't hardly come apart, you know. Now I use 2-inch screws on these slats. I see some people build them, use like about 1.5 inches, and to me that don't give you enough holding power, I don't think, you know. That's just my opinion. Everybody's got a right to their own opinion. Now I got to figure how many I'm going to need here on this. I'll tell you one more will do it. Yeah, that'll do it. I guess. Be close. I don't know if I get 3 in here or not. We might have. Yeah, I believe we can. Yeah, I believe we can. Yeah, I believe I can get there. Yeah. Need a little wider spacing. Ain't hardly wide enough. That'll be about right. Now this is a big swing. I don't know what that was, Phil. You never get enough room in a shop to work. Never do. I always could use more room. put these last 3 slats in, I use my eye I slide like that, then put that in the middle, then I come back and put that one in the middle. And that's just as close as you can get. See there, you just space it right there, equal. I've done that so much. Go. So I'll put this in there and that down there and just put this in the middle. I may have to get over here to look at it. And push that down there and this in here and then just get it in the middle. Like that right there. And just put that in the middle between them, right there. Same way there. Lift it over here and look at it. That's pretty good. So you just get it equal there. I just use 3 of these backs, and seat, pattern. But on a 5-foot, 6-foot, I use 4. I've seen some people build a 5-footer on 3, and I just don't like that. That puts them about 30 inches apart, I don't like it, Okay, that's got the back on. Now we're ready to put her front support on and the arm. Put that on there to hold that up a little better there. So I use 2.5 inch screw on it. These screws are self-starting. They're real good screws. I ordered them from a company up in Pennsylvania, and I have to order them by the case, and I get a real good price on them. But the problem is the shipping. I mean, here lately it's went real high, you know. See, I had that slat there at the correct height as this here, and I just laid that arm on it there. Just like that. And I put a little brace on it right there to hold it up there. Then put a screw down in here. Really make it stay out there. Okay, we'll turn it around and put it on the other end. Pretty big swing. What I do with my drill? I don't know what I done with me. Yeah. Alright. Get rid of the arm on it. We gotta put this on before. just used a 2-inch screw on that to keep it from coming all the way through over there. This is a real good screw, self-starting. But on some ends now, you have to drill to keep them busting. There you go. There's your 6-foot swing out of poplar lumber. You can paint it, you can stain it, finish it ever how you want to. You know, poplar is a real good wood for anything you want to put on it. So thank you for watching, and would you share it with your friends and push the like button and subscribe to it. Thank you very much.